If you go to Grok and navigate to the Imagine section, you'll notice that after entering your prompt and attempting to generate a video, you're redirected to a payment page requiring a $30 fee to access video generation or credits. However, that doesn't align with our approach. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to the Grok AI video generation model for free and unlimited. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and most importantly, join our WhatsApp channel. It's completely free, so you do not miss the latest videos on my channel. The link is in the description. All right, let's get started. So the first thing to do is to go on this website. Once you're on the website, you will have to go on Sign Up, and you have to create an account with Google. Once your account is created, you see that we have different video generation models like Cdance, which is paid, and it can cost you 100 credits. Veo and Grok AI gives you free video generations, but Veo is currently under maintenance. So we select Grok AI. Here you can select a generation mode. You also have an option to add an image reference. You can add your basic prompt, and you can also decide to add advanced settings. So you just have to click on advanced, and you will get multiple setting options to add into your prompt. In advanced settings, you can also add GSON prompts. You can also choose the orientation you like the best, and you can also choose the resolution. In order to get the free and unlimited videos with Grok AI, you cannot choose a high resolution and a duration of 10 seconds. So you have to keep the resolution standard and duration to 6 seconds. So now we can create videos. We add our prompt and click on Generate. And now the video is being generated. Video has been generated. Let's watch it. The video was great with the effects and the sound. Of course, you can add details to the prompt, but this is an example. So now we can go back on ChatGPT. We can copy the second prompt and we paste it in the prompt section. And now we can launch the second generation. The second video has been generated. Let's watch this one. Once you have all the videos for voice generation, I am using NoteGPT. It gives you 3 generations without sign up and 10 to 15 with sign up for free daily. So after we have everything ready, you can go on CapCut, import the videos and voices we generated. You can add all of them on the timeline. Let me edit this and we'll show you the final result. The video is ready, let's watch it.
300 years, the skis were silent. No wings, no fire, only stories whispered in fear. But on the coldest night, the mountain remembered. They said dragons only bring death, but she saw something else. Not a monster, but a destiny waiting to be claimed. When power rises, so does opposition. The sky that once belonged to one, now burned with two. Legends are not remembered for how they ruled, but for what they were willing to lose. And though the fire faded, the world would hear wings again.
You now have access to the Grok AI video generation model for free and unlimited. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.